Good morning, everybody. How's it going today? In this video, I wanted to show you a potential trade I see setting up that could happen in the next couple of days that should return over 50% in a company called Microvision, ticker symbol MVIS. Before I get started, I just wanted to take a second to say thank you to everybody who has already subscribed and for hitting the like button. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. If you're new to my channel, I like to find short and long-term trading and investing opportunities in typically lower-priced stocks. I like to look for diamonds in the rough, if you will. Undervalued, underappreciated stocks with high growth potential, as well as all other things finance-related. I like to keep my videos short and sweet and get right to the point. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any future trading and investing ideas. And also, I am not a registered financial advisor, so please do your own research before buying any of the stocks in my videos. Now, the first chart I have pulled up is just the regular daily chart. I don't like my charts to be too messy, so I usually just keep volume and a few moving averages on them so they're nice and clean. Now, the moving averages I use are the 8-period exponential moving average, which is the white line, the 21-period exponential moving average, which is the purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, which is the blue line, and the 200-day simple moving average, which is the yellow line. If you're not familiar with these moving averages, I highly recommend you look into these ones. In my 20-plus years of trading, I found that these are to be 4 of the most powerful ones out there. It doesn't even matter which time frame you trade in. If you put these on your chart, you'll see more often than not, these will typically be more bounced off of than any other moving averages. As you can see on the chart, Microvision topped out a few days ago and it's starting its pullback. Now this pullback the last couple of days hasn't been on huge volume, so I think Microvision should have at least one more move up left in it. So I'm going to look to potentially swing trade this stock if it continues to pull back on lighter volume. Now, as of this video, MVIS is sitting on the 8-period exponential moving average, and that could offer enough support to send it back up in the short term, but I'm only interested if it pulls back to this trend line I have drawn on the chart. Now, this is a pretty solid looking trend line with a lot of touches or support bounces, so I think this should definitely offer enough support for a short-term bounce up. Now, I'm only planning on swing trading Microvision because I think this chart pattern looks favorable for a decent bounce up in the short term. Now, I'm only going to hold this for a few days tops, so there's no need for me to waste time looking too deep into the company. So if you want to hold this company for the long term, you need to do way more research than you're going to find in this video. So I'm going to look to enter this stock at around the $1.60 to $1.70 area once it gets close to that trend line if selling remains light. Now, I think Microvision will find support at this trend line and should easily be able to fill the gap in the 250 to 270 area for a potential move of over 50% if it plays out the way I'm thinking. Well, that's all I have for you today, folks. I just wanted to put this video out real quick because it should take a day or so for it to hit that trend line, and that gives us time to continue to monitor the trading action and plan this potential trade. Now, if you have another technical analysis forecast on Microvision, please leave it in the comments section. Or if you have any other info on Microvision, I'd love to hear more about this company. Please leave that down there too. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to end the video right there. So thank you so much for watching. And until next time, take care, everybody.